Hi and hello, I am Athena Pandian here. Welcome to the Athena Pandian channel once again. In this video, I am going to say something about the projects. So many of the biomedical engineering or medical electronics final year students, they are struggling to find out which is the area we are need to concentrate and which is the area we are supposed to choose to do the project. Okay, so for that particular situation, we have some of the small idea how you can able to how you are supposed to choose the final year projects. Okay, come let me start now. Projects, especially biomedical engineering or medical engineering or medical electronics students need to concentrate more on doing the projects, because most of the tier 1 tier 2 companies, they are especially note down your projects what you did in the engineering studies, whether it may be a 3 months duration project, or it may be a 6 months duration project, or it may be a 1 week project, or whatever it may be, your interest. Only the interested person, the passionate person only can able to do the project. Okay, that is what the most of the HR is expecting. Okay, so doing the project is a chance to get a practical knowledge. That is what actually they aim. So now I'm going to choose how we can able to choose the particular project. I hope so. This project importance I already told you, because if you need a job in a good company, you are doing project is most important. Okay, so in that way, projects, how to choose the project. Okay, so first of all, if you don't have any mindset, if you don't have any sort of ideas where we need to do the projects like that, better I do some of the few things you need to get the good project. Okay, first of all, you are supposed to choose your domain in the 3 years of study, or in the 2.5 years of study, whatever the things you crossed over in the engineering. You just recall some of the subjects or some of the domains that inspired more, or you are loving more on that particular domain. Especially we can able to point it out, it may be a biomaterials, or it may be a biomechanics will create some of the inspiration about you. And then it may be a medical optics, or it may be a bioinstrumentation, or it may be a signal, or it may be a biosensors, or it may be a biomedical imaging. So just think about it, which is the area that inspired more, okay, according to you. Just choose that. Or in case some of the person have inspired more on pathology or biochemistry, or it may be an anatomy, no worries. So choose the domain, at least choose your domain first of all. What, where I supposed to do the project in the final year. Okay, and then once you choose the domain, for example you choose a biomaterials or biomechanics or something like that, then the next thing you are supposed to do is you are supposed to make an analysis of whether I want to execute this project in the software module or in the hardware module, or both the hardware and software required to execute that particular domain. Like that, the second thing you need to choose it, whether it is a software or it is a hardware or it is a mixed. And then the next thing, once you choose the domain, after you decided that whether it is a software mode or a hardware mode or mixed, and then the next third category you need to supposed to do is you just look over the society. Why unnecessarily I want to see the society, sir? See, whatever the things you are going to do or you are did, that should be give some of the benefit to others. So the project should not be aimed as a project itself. Try to make that particular project into the product. So just go and look at the society, because still more amount of biomedical equipment is required, biomedical devices is required to diagnose in many of the diseases. You can able to take for example in ophthalmology, still many of the eye diseases didn't have any diagnosis methodology. Some of the diseases have the diagnosis we can able to find out, but there is no any therapeutical treatment available. So for that, if you can able to do for make any of the instrument that can able to help for the doctors to give some of the treatment which are not available. So in that way, you just think about it. Just look at the society. Just look at the people. Which are all the things you are seeing? Which are all the things you are supposed to see? The disability in around you, and get into the hospital, and which are all the diseases are, and which are all the common diseases, and which are all the common disorders, and which are all the common disabilities. Still they don't have any product. So like that, you see, everyone knows that wheelchair is wrong. Wheelchair is actually a project. Nowadays everyone is using wheelchair. Even the person didn't have any knowledge about how to make the wheelchair also, the person can able to use it. That is actually a project. The scientists, they just look at the society, which are all the aiding equipment needed. Because the person, those who are not able to walk, they need a support of other person to hang over on a shoulder and then walk. So if you want to overcome that particular thing, the invention is called a wheelchair. So like that only, which are all the disability, which are all the things, they still required any devices. That kind of the thing, you just watch it. It may be a minor or maybe major. That is nothing problem. You just look over it and then choose the project. It may be in your domain, it may be a biomaterials, or it may be an instrumentation, or it may be a optics, or it may be an imaging, or it may be a signal analysis, whatever it may be, you just choose it. And then so you choose the domain, and you choose the module, whether it is software or hardware or mixed, and then you choose which is the area we are targeting out. How we can able to use the domain to make the project with this particular modes. Then 50% of the project idea is completed. And then just find out some of the disabilities or disorders, whatever the things you look over in the society, and then list it out. At least, for example, you have just listed out 5 or 6. One by one, you just search in the journal papers. There are so many biomedical journal papers are available. Just go and search. There is in existing papers are available, or relating the paper is available, what you're choosing, and you just go through it. Just go through at least 4 or 5 papers deeply. Be concentrate and go through the paper, each and every single line you just go and read out it, and then automatically 65% of the project is getting over. Once you've gone through at least 5 or 10 papers, journal papers relating the particular same domain, what you're choosing, then the 65% of the project is getting over. And then what is the next step? You have an idea. Which are all the things existing, you know that. Some of the authors, some of the journal authors, they have some of the idea. They implemented some of the idea. You got some of the authors' algorithms. You got some of the other authors' procedure to make the instrumentation area. So all the things just mixed over and make a design. Whether it may be if in case it is an instrumentation project, and make a design first of all, prototype. And then if it is a software project, and make an algorithm, which are all the algorithms already the journal peoples are used. Try to use some of the other algorithms and make that particular thing better than that of the particular journal author. Like that, you just make it, and then finally just executed it. So this is the way you are supposed to choose the project. If you have enough amount of passionate towards and want to do anything different in the society, or you want to place it in tier 1 companies also, this project execution is most important. So thank you very much for the video. Thanks a lot.